The creation of the universe, the Big Bang. The creation of the universe is explained by astrophysicists in a widely accepted phenomena popularly known as the Big Bang. It is supported by observational and experimental data gathered by astronomers and astrophysicists for decades. According to the Big Bang, the whole universe was initially one big mass called a primary nebula. Then there was a secondary separation which resulted into the formation of galaxies. These then divided to form stars, planets, the sun, the moon, etc. The origin of the universe was so unique, and the probability of its occurring by chance is zero. The Quran contains the following verse regarding the origin of the universe. أَوَلَمْ يَرَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا أَنَّ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ كَانَتَا رَتْقًا فَفَتَقْنَاهُمَا. Do not the unbelievers see that the heavens and the earth were joined together as one unit of creation before we clothed them asunder? The striking congruence between the Quranic verse and the Big Bang is inescapable. How could a book which first appeared in the deserts of Saudi Arabia 1400 years ago contain this profound scientific truth?